Hello, today is Tuesday, March 9th. This is the Sphinx Forex review for today. Housekeeping, Sphinx Forex, SphinxForex.com. If you notice, we now have a banner placed. We entered into an agreement with a broker that can handle everything that we want to trade as far as major pairs, exotics, and also the metals with the gold and silver. So everything can be handled through the one platform. I've been using it for the past couple of days. Real easy to use. Setting your stop and or stop and limit order, trail stop. So I got all of the ease functions with it. So and actually we'll be converting to MetaTrader 4 in the next couple months. So you will actually be able to trade off our same charts. I've typically traded off of different charts anyhow. When I had the managed accounts, I was using two different platforms at one time, and I wasn't trading off of any. Either of the two platforms weren't my chart, so I'm accustomed to it. But it'll be a heck of a lot easier when we get MetaTrader 4, and you'll be able to trade off your very own charts. All right, fundamental and technical analysis here in the left corner. This will pop up on every page. Real-time blog, anything currency related, you'll find here on the and then index as well. Video review, obviously it'll be our videos. Most recent will be in the main screen. The book, click the book link. Real-time quotes and economic data. The mentorship program, click here. You'll get one-on-one live consulting with me. Ask any question you want. It can be about charts or currency, market in general, your choice. Carte blanche. And then the signal service, maybe about less than 2 weeks we'll be up and running with that. All right, twitter.com/Sphinx Forex. Be notified when we put up new commentary and our video. We now have 1,083 people following us, so we did very well with getting this up and running. And let's look at the charts. It was a bonanza today coming into the U.S. Open. You had the European session open up in this area here. You had a trade 1 pip below. Here's your entry. 1 pip below. Here's your stop. You got brought in. You missed that entry. Fine. You had a second entry here. 1 pip below. Here's your entry. 1 pip above here is your stop. You're still okay. And then we came back in again and crashed down. If you saw your third entry, 1 pip below here. 1 pip above here is your stop, or you could have kept the original stop here to keep yourself a little in the trades, a little bit of extra breathing room. And then you had a crash down, and there you made your money. So real nice trade setups on the euro. I believe the pound was just as nice. We came off here. This is a pretty big move down. I'd be a little you guys would know by now. The people who's been around know that I'm probably not going to trade coming off of this big move here. Probably want to let the MACD reset a little bit, which it did up in this area here. And so you could have taken here. Actually, you could have started here. 1 pip below, here's your entry. 1 pip above, here's your stop. You missed that trade. 1 pip below, here's your entry. 1 pip above, here's your stop. Although I would have still used this stop over here because it was only maybe 3 or 4 more pips. Then we came back, crashed down. Then the market kind of came back around on us, so it wasn't as clean as the euro, but this area here was real nice. And then here also. Let's look at the euro yen, which is I actually did some little demo trading on the euro yen today on that new platform, testing it out. All right, you could have gotten short off of here. 1 pip below, here's your entry. 1 pip above, here's your stop. Crash down. You missed that entry. 1 pip below, here's your entry. 1 pip above, here's your stop. Crash down. So you had 2 entries. Both of them worked out with this nice move down. The MACD kind of flattened itself out. This is a big move, so I'm not going to trade new lows off of this, which is a good thing because it didn't hold, and then a reversal came through. So we had some nice trades in the euro yen leading into the U.S. session, and then the dollar Swiss should have been longs. So let's see, the MACD flattened out. You could have went long up in here. The MACD flattened out, actually came under right here, which set us up even better. 1 pip above, here's your entry. 1 pip below, here's your stop. You got brought in on this candle. Stop came back a little bit, wasn't hit, and then a big blast up. So you had that, and that was it on those trades. The MACD was pretty extended to take this trade here. because you had, let's see, 1, 2, so there's actually 3 already. So That was it for the dollar Swiss. So that was a pretty good day. Let's look at some. Let's look at the euro. We'll look at an hourly chart, see what's shaking over there. Maybe something setting up for us. You actually had a short. MACD came across short side. Let's see. 1 pip below here would be your entry. 1 pip above here is your stop. You got brought in. Your stop wasn't hit, and then you had a blast down. So you made your money there on an hourly chart. Let's look at the pound hourly. See what's shaking. Pretty much same scenario. Came down, came through. Your aggressive 1 pip below here could have been your entry. If not, here was your sure thing. 1 pip below here, 1 pip above there, just stop. Then you got brought in, bang. And that's 20. That's about 40 pips. So yeah, this trade would have worked out for you in the hourly. So I'm starting to like the hourlies. For those of you that can't sit in front of a computer all day and trade. The late European session leading into the U.S. session, so the hourlies is what I'd be looking at as a substitute, or the 4 hour. So, all right, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.